my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. Hey, my Jazzy crew. How's everybody doing today, y'all? Y'all, guess what? I'm excited. I got my hair done, y'all. Yes, hey, y'all. I didn't think I was going to be able to do a video today. But, y'all, listen. I have a seafood boil, y'all. Yes, y'all. Yes, I have another seafood boil because I wanted to eat some more Miss Belove smackalicious sauce, honey. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I did. And you know they say, well, I know that it's good the next couple of days. So, it's been sitting for about 2 days, so it's ready to be demolished. Okay, y'all, here it is. And that's the limes and lemons that I had in there that I warmed it up, the sauce up with, so whatever. But however, y'all, so what I have today is, again, y'all, went to the store after I got my hair done for the king crabs. And, of course, out of all the days I wanted some, they don't have them. But what I have is some snow crabs. I have some broccoli. I have some corn. I have some shrimps. Y'all, I have a subscriber that wanted me to, because I asked them did they want me to try some eggs, because I don't eat eggs. But I'm going to try some boiled eggs today, y'all. I only put 3 in here because I might not eat them. But before we get into all of this, let's pray first. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for waking me up this morning, Lord. Thank you for letting me see another beautiful day, Father God. Father God, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive and let it be nourishing to my body. In your name I pray, amen. Amen, y'all. Yes, y'all. And then listen, I got some cucumbers on the side, of course. Okay. And I got no other than my favorite, my H2O, y'all. Where we at? Where you at, girl? Where you at? There you go. So I got that. But y'all got this sauce, okay? Now they say this sauce is good in Belove smackalicious sauce, y'all, okay? So I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see. But first let me try without it, cause you know this sauce supposed to be the goodish after. It is. I taste these limes and lemons in here too. Cause they've been sitting in here too with the sauce. Yep. Very good. Y'all, listen. Before we get any further, cause your girl always forget. And I should have brought a spoon. Cause see, this sauce is hot. It's good. Y'all listen. Y'all listen. Won't y'all do me a favor? Listen, it don't take nothing but a what a high skip, or what a high skip, and a who, or what a jump. Y'all. It don't take nothing but a high skip and a jump. And guess what that is? Oh, that's good. Y'all, all y'all got to do is, I always forget something. Jesus. Y'all, I always forget something. Jesus, for my trash, for these shells or whatnot. But anyway, y'all, won't y'all like this comment? Like this comment. Hold on. Sorry, look, I got into this food. But y'all, like this video. Okay? Comment on this video. Ooh, this sauce is hot. Share this video. And then hit that red button and subscribe to your girl Jazzy V. Come on over. And then hit that what? Hit that what? Do that what? Ring that bell. Ring my bell. Hey, ring my bell. Ring my bell. Ring my bell, y'all. Or ring that bell so that way you can be notified every time Jazzy V posts a video, y'all. Come on over. Holla at your girl. Yeah. Yeah, let's get into this though. Let's get it. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Them noodles though, yesterday, they were good. It was a little spicy, but they were good. Now, I should have brought crystal, my crystals over here. Had some crystal. See, I'm always forgetting something. I always forgetting something. And then once you sit down, that's it. Because, of course, I can't call on Eric. I can't call on him. He gone. He at work. So, and the fact that I don't know how to edit yet, that I'm not getting up at all. Let's eat the broccoli. Let's eat some broccoli, y'all. This broccoli's good too. Broccoli good for you. Oh Lord, honey. Woo! You know what, y'all? That's why I didn't pour my sauce over up in here, because I didn't feel like dealing with that. My hands getting hot and see. And y'all got these braids now. They long now. I know it's gonna be like that, where I keep like I'm holding on them, and they, you know, and when they freshly knew, they hurt. Lady kept pulling my head and stuff. She kept saying, "Are you alright?" You know, I'm not alright, ma'am. But just come on. Just come on, get it over with. And y'all, I got there about 10 o'clock or so. And got done about, I want to say about 2 o'clock. About 2 o'clock I was done. Yeah. It didn't take her that long. The Africans did. You know how they do. Well, at first when I first got there, the one little girl, the one lady was there. There was only one lady there. And so she started on me. But then the older lady came in and, yeah, she took over. So, but overall, she did a good job. I like them. I got them because I didn't feel like doing, I didn't want to, you know, do nothing with my hair really. And it's my birthday month, y'all. It's me and my husband's birthday. Actually, it's several of our birthday family members, but me and my husband's birthday is coming up as well. So I said, actually I didn't know what I wanted to do at first. Because I was like, oh, I'm going to dye my hair this color. Go to my nephew and have him cut it up. Have me, you know, looking right. Put me some designs all up and through there. But then I was like, no. I want to look really, you know, like jazzy. Yeah, because I'm going to fix these up. I'm going to have these fixed up on my day. They're going to be up in a style. And go get my size cut. So all I gotta do now is just get the sides of my hair cut, the sides and the back. And then I was going to go ahead and get my lashes and my eyebrows done. But I was like, no, I'm going to wait closer to when it's time, you know, for the party. That way they can be really beautiful, freshly looking, good looking, the bomb popping and all of that. Okay? So I can blink. Blink, blink. Ain't going to be blinking at nobody but my husband. That's it. But, however, I'll be blinking. Yes, y'all. So I'm going to do that. Wait and get that done. And then get my nails done over too. Because of the colors. So I'm excited and happy about that, y'all. And of course, I done enjoyed all my little days off. Your girl go back to work tomorrow. And try a potato. Oh, y'all, let me try these eggs. Bless me. Woo, bless me again, y'all. Woo. Jesus. Dang it. Them things is hot. This sauce is hot. Okay. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how I'm going to try this egg, but let me try it. Alright, y'all. I'm agree to try this egg. Miss Cinnamon. I'm going to try the egg, Miss Cinnamon. Ugh, that texture, that white part. This sauce is hot. Dang it. I can't get up for no fork or nothing. I mean, no spoon or nothing. It wasn't so bad because I tasted more of the yolk part. Dang it. This sauce is hot. I'm telling y'all, listen. Y'all, there I go again. Can't talk. Okay, y'all, so listen. I'm about to go ahead and try some of this in here because I do want it to look. I'm not, see, I ain't gonna be able to do these braids like this. See, now I'm trying to get cocky with this sauce. Okay. But this hair is going to get on my nerves. Being sitting on it is crap. These cucumbers are cold. How is everybody doing? Y'all, I be so excited to do these videos for y'all. Sure. I thank all my new subscribers I got. Thank you. I thank each and every one who's watching, who commented. Thank you to everyone. Thank you, hashtags. Thank you, Lisa, Michelle Show. Thank you, Miss Eat N Gud, for bringing over your people. Thank you so much for shouting my name out. And I thank each and every one of the people that came over and commented. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you guys continue to watch me. And I hope you guys will continue to enjoy me. Yes, y'all. But, okay. Miss Cinnamon, honey, it's okay. I can't get with that white part for real. But y'all, why I'm trying to hang with the big dogs, okay? Listen, I'm up here trying to, listen y'all, I'm up here trying to hang with the big dogs with this sauce. And this sauce honey, listen. This sauce ain't no joke. When I tell you this sauce ain't no joke, baby, listen. It ain't no joke. It is not no joke, y'all. But I got these other two bottles over here. Now what I'm gonna try that with, y'all. Okay. I got some lemons over here, y'all. Oh, it's good. I can't even get my potato out of here. Okay, here we go. Hey, yeah. That sauce, let me tell you something. That sauce is hot from the heat and from the sauce that I put in there. It's hot around both ways, okay? Listen. Y'all. Ooh. Oh, y'all, I got some sausages down here too, y'all. Oh, they covered up. Y'all, I got some sausages too, y'all. Take a bite. Go ahead and take y'all a piece. Y'all can have a piece. I'm sorry. Yeah. Jazzy, sorry, y'all. I meant to answer that lady's question. It was another lady who asked me. She said, and I thank her for asking me. She asked me what was my favorite food and my favorite dessert. And my favorite food, Miss, I can't remember her name. I'm sorry, I'm going to get it. And if you're watching, my favorite food is this here. These snow crabs. I love them. I love it. And corn on the cob. Now, for my dessert, for my dessert, I don't eat sweets or nothing. So I don't have a, if I did, maybe, I think maybe I'd probably say some ice cream maybe, because I don't eat them cakes or nothing like that for real. I can't really tell you. And if I do, it'll be chocolate. Because I don't like all the other stuff. So yeah. So yeah, that'll be it. Yep. Thank you for asking. If you got any more questions, go ahead and comment. I'll put them down below. And matter of fact, I'll answer them on my next video. That way I can let everybody know. This is good. But, y'all listen. It's good, but your girl, I don't think your girl Nessa ready for it. I don't think she ready for this spicy stuff. Not like she thought. She thought she was ready. But baby, I don't think she ready. I don't think Nessa ready, y'all. I still don't think she ready. At all. Woo. Ooh. Ooh. Child, the ear. Woo. Baby. Ah. Woo. I'm gonna kill myself over here behind this sauce. Whoo, y'all. Whoo. Man. That was dope. That ain't no joke. Man. Ooh-wee. Child. I'm gonna have to order me some more of Dame Dash sauce. I had it once, but I really wasn't for sure, but I want to try it again. And I am. Also, I'm gonna work on getting me a Jesus. Man. Excuse me, y'all. I don't know what's going on. That sauce. Man. But yeah, I'm gonna work on getting me a excuse me, a blessing session shirt. I want one of Miss Minnie's in them shirts. I want the blessing session shirt. Y'all listen. Y'all, it was crazy. Listen. So, remember I told y'all yesterday that I was watching The Housewives of Atlanta, okay? And I tell you, they said right after that show though too, right after the episode that Kenya and her husband filing for divorce. And I'm glad because her husband, honey, her husband off the chain, honey. He out of control. Listen, let me tell you what she had to do while he sat at home with the baby. Okay, y'all, listen. Let me tell you something. Ain't no way. I don't care. Me and my husband been together since 2003. Okay. Now, some days I will be like, oh, baby, put this on, or I'm going to get this out for you. I want you to wear, or something like that, you know. But, however, Kenya's husband, honey, had her to go out to pick him out an outfit to wear for the whatever he had going on, what campaign or whatever event he had going on, right? So, she had to go get all of that for him, plus her dress too. So, when she came back home for getting his clothes, buying his clothes, or whatever that he wanted her to go do with When she came back home, y'all excuse the noise, cause you know your girl getting hot flashing now. She getting hot, and the sauce too. Eating this sauce too. Shoot, I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, so when she came back home with them outfits, with his outfit, do you, damn, my time is almost up already. Do you know that when she pulled the outfit out for him to see, did you know he told her he did not like that, what she got? He did not want to wear what she had bought. He told her he didn't like it. And then he was like, well, why did you get this color or whatever she got? She was like, we supposed to be dressed alike because of the event or whatnot. He was like, no, ma'am. But of course she wore it anyway. But he was so very disrespectful at the event. He didn't acknowledge her or none of that. He just thought he was on, man, I'm sorry that she married him and had a child by him because he ridiculous. He had no love and didn't care. He was just dogging her. And everybody knew it too. They just looking like, wow. Now, everybody else's husband, when they get up there to talk, they're acknowledging their wives. He did not once acknowledge Kenya at all. Okay? At all. I'm telling you, he just was dogging her. I'm like, ain't no way. My husband couldn't did that. Nope. It wouldn't have happened. It sure wouldn't have. I had a potato. But then I ate it all. Yep, I ate it all. But yeah, it was crazy, y'all. I could not believe that. I mean, he dogged the mess out of her. And of course, you know, Cynthia, Nene, and all them, they could tell they looking like, wow. It was crazy. And so immediately after the show, though, they did have up there that Kenya and her husband is filing for divorce. Which that's what they need because he don't care for her. He do not care for her. I can't wait to see it Sunday. Next Sunday. Or this Sunday coming, whatever. But yeah, it's ridiculous. It was so sad. But then, while she up here getting dogged by her husband, see, that's why you got dogged by your husband, though, too, because at the same time, God don't like ugly either. Because when Marlo came, see, her and Marlo ain't really friends. You know, they had a fallout or whatnot. And so, excuse me, you sitting up here mad at Marlo, and when she comes to your event bringing her nephews to this event, you dogged her in front of her nephews and them and put her, sitting them in the back. Way back in the back. Now, why would you do that? When this event is for the young men. Letting young men know how to be a man, a young boy, a young man, you know what I'm saying? How life should be. But they can't get none of that because they've seen the ugly in her. Because she was mad by her husband. Because her husband was dogging her. So now you want to dog somebody else. But anyway, y'all, listen. Your girl time is up. Her little 30 minutes is up. I don't know why she can't go longer some days. But anyway, y'all, listen. I'm about to finish eating this offset, y'all. Y'all like that offset? Nah. Behind the scenes. But anyway, y'all like this video, comment on this video, share this video, hit that red bell and subscribe to my channel. And then hit that bell ring my bell, ring that bell, y'all. So that way you can be notified when your girl Jazzy V post a video. Love ya. Love, peace, and happiness. Bye, y'all. Yes, y'all.